Welcome friends, today's topic is just a continuation of the previous one. It is Marma Sarir part 2. In this particular segment, we are going to talk about classification of Marma and their importance. So starting the topic, first of all, the first classification is on the basis of regional. That is on the part of different human bodies divided into six specific parts as Ayurveda says, that is Sadang Sarira, which is uh, given confirmation from the Susruta and Charak also. Only the Bhavaprakash is one who has divided the body into eight parts. But nevertheless, we are especially talking in the concern of Susrut only. The Susrut always follows the same, and for in this basis, he has divided the total 107 marm into the regional subcategories on six type you can see here. So the shloka says like this: Tesam ek dasmin saktina bhavanti etanir sakti bahu cha vikyato उदरसो द्वादश चतुर्दशम दृष्टे पृष्ठे गिर्वायाम प्रदूर्ध्वम शब्द त्रिशतम. It simply means like this. You can understand Sakhagar, that is upper limb and lower limb both continue. In one of them there are 11 marma. If you multiply them by 4, the total becomes 44. Madhya Sarir or Antaradhi, that is the trunk region. It has two parts. Kostkata, they are 12 number. Prishtkata, they are 14 number. Total becomes 26. In Chatururdhva, that is head and neck, they are 37 in number. The total is always going to remember 107. Now this is just a chart to show how the things are been divided, confirmed. Sloka basis I have written here, and the number is there. You can follow anyone either in Sanskrit or in the diacritical manner. So I'm going to read it. Then in the next slide we are going to see in tabulated format also. So to give you both the things, that is the classical way of learning also, as well as how you're going to prepare for your PMS exams or for the further any exam, we can learn from the tabulated format. Then you can write the just name simply. So see here for the lower extremity, also known as Sakti, तत्र शक्ति मरवाणी क्षिप्र तल हृदय कूर्च कूट सिरो कुल्फ इंद्रिय बस्ती जानु ऊर्वी लोहिताक्षाणी विटवम चेती एतनरथ शक्ति व्याख्यात. So these are the 11, that is क्षिप्र तल हृदय कूर्च कूर्च सिरो कुल्फ इंद्रवस्ती जानु ऊर्वी लोहिताक्षाणी and vitam. The same shloka continues with the same locations also, but basically the change between certain anatomical fact from upper limb and lower limb. So the upper limb says Bahu Marmani to Chipra Talhriday Kurch Kurch Sirumadi Banda Indrivasti Purpar Purvi Lohita Chani Kakshidare Cheti and Nentro Bahu Vakyata. Now you can see the differences here. First of all, from in the place of Gul there is Madibandha, and in place of Janu there is Purpura, in place of that is Kakshidhara, here it is Bitva. So when we are going to see in the last part of this presentation, that is part 3, we'll talk about each and every mark, we will talk about the location, we'll talk about number, we'll talk about all the type of classification. Then we are going to see basically the location is just comparatively just changing some anatomical features there. And the resultant of injury, that is prognostic type classification, which we are going to learn today only, will be same only. Then on the trunk, Udarastu Gud Basti Nabi Hriday Stan Mool Stan Rohit Aplap Apistamo Cheti. So here it is Gud Basti Nabi Hriday, they are one in number. Stan Mool Stan Rohit Aplap and Apistam, they will be two in number. In the back side, you will see Prisht Marmani to Katik Taru Kandra Nitam Upas Sandhi Prahat Ans Falak Ansu Cheti. These all are two in number, so 7 into 2 equal 14. Then comes the head and neck region, Jatru Urdhra, Chatastro Dhamne Vashtaya. मातृका द्वे कृकाटके द्वे विदुरे द्वे फणे द्वे अपांगो द्वे आवर्तो द्वे उच्चको द्वे संख्या एका स्तपनी पंच सीमंत चतस्वरी श्रृंगाटक एकोन अधिपति रीति. So these are the some shlokas for the regional classification. Now simply you can see this table and you can easily understand all the shloka. So here first is Bahukata, it is Chipru, 2 in number, Talvidaya, 2 in number, Purchi, 2 in number, Purchisra, 2 in number, Madibandha, 2 in number, Indravasti, 2 in number, Purpura, 2 in number, Ani, 2 in number, Bahaka, 2 in number, Lohitaksh, 2 in Kaksa. So you can see you don't need to remember the number. If it is from the Sakhakar, it will be 2 each. Just like that, you can see the lower limb. Here there are some red colored thing you can see in the place of Madhivan, they are using Gulfa, in place of Purpura, they are using Janu, in place of Vahbi, they are using Urbi, and Kashidhar, they are using. But the breast will be the same. कोष्ठगता it is Gudr Basti Navi Hriday all at one number. Istanmul, Istan Rohit, Apalap and Apistan, they are two in number. Prishtagartman, Patiktaram two, Bandra two, Nitam two, Parsandi, Prati, Ansulat all are two in number. So first three are especially on the pelvic bone, then they are in the sides, password, then we are going to come in the upper part of the back. Then comes Nila Manya, 4 in number, Nila 2, Manya 2, like this also you can study. Matrika 8, Krikatka, Vidure, Fana, Apanga, Avarta, Sankha, Utchep, they all are 2 in number. Stapni is 1, Siman, that is sutures of the skull are 5 in number, Sangata, 4 in number, Adipati, also said to be the most important marma point, it is 1 in number. So like this, you can simply remember first the names from the chart, but remember sequence should not be changed, and then you can fit it into the sloka, and your sloka will be ready. Like you can try once. So first try to learn any of the thing. Either you will learn the sloka directly or will learn the table, and then both of things you can simply recall. So this is some diametric representations of all the mark points on the basis of regional classification. You can see it. Though some pictures may be different in different books or different sites, what you are going to see, it is just an example given to you how to mark the mark points of the body. So next comes the structural classification, means structural classification or you can say compositional classification. So first of all, just we are going to read it. Marma are Sannipata collection of conglomeration of the five elements Mas, Sira, Snayu, Asti, Sandhi, and likewise it is of five types. You can see the sloka downside. Tani Marwani, Panchatmani, Bhavanti, Tatyata, Mas Marwani, Sira Marwani, Snayu Marwani, Asti Marwani, and Sandhi Marwani, Cheti. So this particular type actually now there may be some confusion in our mind that first of all we were saying that all the months are the Panchbhautik, so all the five things should be present there, and then all these structures are collection. Then how we are going to divide it? So actually it is the predominance term which you are going to use it here. Means all the Marwari are composite or collection of Mas Marwani, Sira, Snayu, Asti, and Sandhi, but one of them will be predominant than the others. On that basis only we are going to classify them here. Here the classification is on the basis of predominance of an individual structural entity, although all the mark comprises of all five structural entities. Clearly it is written. Sushruta clearly mentions that other than these five components, mark cannot be classified further under any other structural entity. If done, it may be contained in these only. न खलु माश्रय स्नायु अस्थि संधि व्याधि रकेण अनानि परमाणि भवन्ति यस्मान् उपलभ्यते. It's like we can see in future slide that Ashtanga Hriday is divided on the compositional basis in the six type. He has included a Dhamani also. But you can see he is taking out from someone from the Sira, someone from the Mas, someone from the Snayu only to make a new group known as Dhamni. So we can include back the Dhamni Marmas in the classification which is already given by Susru. So that's what Susru has clearly mentioned in the red colored part of the slope, which yellow colored part which I have mentioned here. Now again, you can see first of all that structural class compositional classification and then numbers by Susruth as well as Ashtanga I have shown you in comparative manner. So you can see this loka also, you can see that the number also. Tat Rekadasa Mas Marwadi means Mas Marwadi 11 in number. Ek Chitar Visanti Sira Marwadi, Sira Marwadi are 41 in number. Sapta Visanti Snayu Marwadi, Snayu Marwadi are 27 in number. Ashta Asti Marwadi, 8 are the Asti Marma, and Visanti Sandhi Marwadi, 20 are the Sandhi Marma. In the side of Ashtanga Hridaya, you can see the reference also. There are Mas Marma 10 in number, Sira Marma 37, Snayu 23, Asti and Sandhi are equal, that is 8 and 20. Dhamni Marma, so it becomes 9. So you simply minus 144 from Mas, Sira, Snayu, and you will get the number of Ashtanga Hridaya. And whatever you are minusing, it's 1 plus 4 plus 4, it will become Dhamni Marma, it's 9. Total number is never going to change. Now again, same thing from the Sanskrit I have taken the slokas. We should follow the sloka so that it will be very easy for you to recall in the exam time or during the Viva time and in future also. And you are not going to forget anything. The Mas Marwani, Tatra Tal Hridayendra Vasti, Good Stan Rohit Mas Marwani, Tal Hriday Indra Vasti, Good Stan Rohit, these are the Mas Marwani. Then Sira Marwani, Neeli Dhamani, मातृका श्रृंगाटक अपांग स्तपनी फण स्तन मूल अपलाप अपस्तंभ हृदय नाभि पार्श्व संधि बृहति लोहिताक्ष उर्वे शिरा मरवाणी, they have 41 a number. स्नायु मरवाणी अणि विटप कक्ष धरक कूर्च कूर्च शिरोपस्थि क्षिप्र आंत विद्रुप उत्क्षेपा स्नायु मरवाणी, अस्थि मरवाणी कटिक तरुण नितम अंश फलक संखत्व अस्थि मरवाणी, जिस संधि मरवाणी जानु पूर्व सीमांत अधिपति गुल्फ मणिबंध कुकुंदर आवर्त कृकाटक चेती संधि मरवाणी. And especially for the short questions or for the 2 marks or 1 mark question, very important Dhamni Marwani, they are Buddha Abhistam Vidur Sangatani Navadichet Marwani Dhamni Sthani. Means you should remember the name Buddha Abhistam Vidura Sangatani. They are 90 number and very important question for the short notes. Now, all these, whatever we have done, you can see here in the tabulated format with number. The Mas Marwadi, you can see here. That is the 4 in number, Indravasti 4 in number, Guda 1, Isthana Rohita 2. The total becomes 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11. Here you can, in the bracket, you can see Ashtang Hriday is not considered this particular Marwai, Mas Marwadi, so I have written AH slash 0. So you can remember it. These all AH 0 will be going some other places. Basically, they are going in Dhamni Marwa, as we have already talked. In Sila Marwa, you can see Nila Manya, Matraka, Sringatak, Apang, Stapni, Pona, Stanamur, Lohitaksh, Apalapa, Apistamba, Hridaya, Navi, Parshvasandhi, Urvi, Kakshidhara, Vitap, and Urvi. So here you can see again the red color thing, Sringataka 4, but age says 0. So you can see in the Dhamni Marma, Sringataka is going there. Then you can see Apanga, here it is age 0 because so, Apanga is being considered by Ashtanga as a Snayuman. You can see in the Snayuman last word. Snayuman, Apanga, it is considered as 0 there, but age has considered 2 there. Like Apistang, then you can see Apistang you can find in Dhamni Marma. Then Bitap, you can see here Bitap. Susruth hasn't considered here, but Ashtanga has considered them as a Siddhavan. So these bracket you just little bit follow and always remember exceptions are very good questions for your exams. Next is Snayu Marma, Ani 4, Bitap 2, Kakshidhar 2, Push 4, Push 4, Basti 1, Chipra 4, Ams 2, Vidru 2, Chepu 2. So first of all, what we are going to do, we have to first learn the Susrut one. Then afterwards you remember the exceptions. Asti Katik Tarun Nitam Amsulak Sankha, 2 to number, no differentiation. Sandhi also Janu Purpur Simanta Adhipati, Gulf, Madibandha, Kukundar, Avarth and Krikatika. There also there is no exception there. So you can learn simply. Dhamni you have to learn by heart. Buddha, Apistamba, Vidur and Singata. Buddha is 1 number, Apistamba 2 in number, Vidura 2 in number, and Singataka 4 in number, total becomes 9. Next comes the most important classification on the basis of injury resultant or after trauma. How will the patient will cope up with it? That is prognostic type of classification. On the resultant of trauma or on the prognostic basis, to show the group, the Marma into 4 group again. Satya Prana, Kalanta Prana, Visalagna, Vakalikara, and Vijakara. Each of them is having a specific character due to Panchamatic predominance, Triguna, structure entity, etc. And accordingly, there is a fatal period and symptom of injury respectively. So here actually on the basis of some basic predominant component of the each marble, like say the pranhar is said to be Agne and Agne is Asukari. Asukari means act fastly. So it fastly moves in the body and takes out the pran if proper treatment is not given in a certain period of time. So in this particular prognostic classification, certain specific things are given here. First of all, what Mahabhutic predominance is there, what Buddha predominance is there, what is the fatal period. Then at other place in same chapter, Susruth has also given some other symptoms also related with these marmas. So you can see here Satipurana worm is predominant by Agni Mahabhu due to its Asu effect. Asu means acting fastly. It soon destroys the patient. Always remember, if proper treatment in proper time is not given, if we are talking in nowadays prospect, modern prospect, if we talk about the time at which they were written actually, so it was the time of the warfare with arrow and the sword and all these things. So it was a different prospect. Okay, nowadays prospect is changed. So patient can receive a proper treatment in proper facility and it is done by a good doctor or nursing home. It can be treated. Okay, but again some more cautions have to be done if it has hurt the marma parts. Then Kalanta Pranayama is predominantly by Soma, that is Jal, and Agni Mahabhut, both. Agni due to its fast action and Soma due to its slow action. They commonly present patient to save till 15 days, and if not properly treated, the death will occur in 15 to 30 days. Then comes a very specific question, again for very important for 2 marks. Visalagna Marma. Short question, favorite questions for short part. Visalagna Marma have Vayu Mahabhuta predominant. The foreign body which injures this Marma prevents departure of Vayu and patient will alive. But as soon as foreign body is removed forcefully, the Vayu expels out and the death follows. And this foreign body which is from outside, if it is falls itself after a certain period of time after treatment, then the patient can be alive also. Okay, so this particular line, sloka as well as this meaning you should learn. Then comes Vekalikar. Welcome means which is going to cause some type of deformity which is constituted by soma or jalaguna due to its quality of stability and slow action. It supports prana. It means it is not going to take your life. Though there may be deformity, but no death normally is concerned. Okay. Then comes the Rujakarama, are predominantly composed of Vayu Mahabhuta, or in some other opinion of authors, it is Panch Mahabhuta that causes severe grades of or different types of pain. In the continuation of same slokas about the prognostic classification of Sadhya Adi classification, Susruth has also given some concern to other authors also. So we can see it here. According to some acharyas, the concentration of Bharama is described little different. Like all 5 elements like Mas, Sira, Asti, Snayu, Asti are going to constitute the Sadhya Pranayama. Any 4 of them is going to constitute Kalantar means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Any 3 of them is going to constitute Visalagna, any 2 of them is going to constitute Vekalikar, and any 1 of them is going to constitute Vijayakarma. This is not the view of Susruth, this is given by some other author, and Susruth himself denies this claim of the other authors, giving an appropriate example of injury to Asthi. Injury to Asthi means Asthi Marma predominantly, and there should be no blood flood or any other thing, but hemorrhage is observed even though no vessels are described or can be seen by the naked eye. So here he is given clear cut mention that all 5 structures are always present in a man, but there may be predominance of something or other. And if the marma is going to get injured, different types of symptoms will be seen. Okay, like if it is not a serum marma also, then also you can see in the symptoms it may be written that there will be blood loss. Like this, he has given example also, and he has himself given the full proof that this particular type of classification will be is not up to date. Okay, and see the sloka and reference also. Now, this is very important table. You should by heart it. So, that is Satiprana. On the Triguna basis, it will be Raja and Sattva. Panchbhautik predominance, you can see it is Agni, dead within 7 days. And some specific symptoms are given in some other reference in same chapter. So you can see loss of sensation, perversions in the activities of mind and buddhi, cognition, and different type of severe pain and death. Sloka you can read it. Indriyarth samprapti mano buddhi raya rujas vivid tirva bhavanti asuhare ate. So either you learn sloka, you can learn the meaning also, but remember reference. Ananta Prana, it is the Rajas and Tamas in 3. Panchbhautik, it will be Jala and Agni, dead between 15 to 30 days. The basic symptom is Tu Dhruvam Dhatu Chaya Nirlam Tato Dhatu Chaya Jana Tu Vedanast Abhishya Nishyati. Means Dhatu Chaya and Chaya Vedana. Means the pain due to the Dhatu Chaya, that is emaciation and pain, and ultimately it will cause the death if proper treatment at proper time not given. Visalagni, it is Rajas, Vayu. Fertility period is not a typical one. If soon after the removal of foreign body the person dies, if it is removed forcefully, if it falls after healing treatment, the person survives. Okay, so it can be dead instantly also if somebody forcefully take it out, or the patient may be saved also if a proper time is given to wait. So you can see the last record, Pakat Patito Salilam va Jivanti. Means if the cell is going to get fall down after a certain time of pakat means when the injury is healed, then the patient can survive also. Vekalikara, it is tamas, jala, only deformity rare there. Hate vekal jane kevalam vaidil गुण गुणात् शरीर क्रियायाम उत्तम विकलत्वम अपने Proper treatment by efficient way may limit the risk to deformity only. So if treatment is given, so there will be deformity. Rare death is there. Rujakara, it is rajas. Agni plus Vayu, severe pain and deformity, produces different type of pain, and if not treated properly may lead to deformity also. Okay, so this particular table is very important because it is giving you the trigonatmak effect, composition of marma, bhautik predominance, fatal period, and symptoms other than their specific meanings. So Sadipranhar, they are 19 in number, Kalantar 33, Visalagna 3, Vakalikari 44, Rujakara 8. Total is always going to remember 107. So these all sloks are to be by heart. This is very important. Mostly asked for 8 marks. That on the prognostic classification, or even if a single can be asked for a small question also. Sangatakani, Adhipati, Sankhu, and Siragudam, Hriday Basti, Navi, Chanati, Taddev Hatanitu. This is for Satiprana. It is Sangatak, Adhipati, Sankhu, Kantisira, Gudam, Hriday Basti, Navi. Kalantar Baksha Marwani is the specific term used here. Baksha Marwani means all the months of the thoracic region, bucks region, and they are actually 80 number. In next tabulated format, we are going to tell you. Remember the word Baksha Marwani. Sometimes this is asked for the short question. Baksha Marwani. What is the Baksha Marwani? Or define the classification Baksha Marwani or define the anatomy of Baksha Marwani. Next one. Simantal Chipra Hindri Vasteya. कटिक तरुण संधि पार्श्व बृहतीच्या नितंबवीतीच्या तानी कालांतराणु तो विसलग्न उत्क्षेपो स्तपनीचे विसलग्न they are only 3 number विक्षेप are 2 स्तपनी is 1 वैकलिकर लोहितक्षाणी जानू मूर्वी कूर्च बिटक कर्पूरा मुकंदरे कक्षधरे विदरे साथ काटके अंश अंश फलक अपांगा नीले मन्य फणो तथा वैकलिकराण आवर्तो द्वय तथयोच्य Rujakar, they are 18 number, Gulfadoi, Madagandudoi, Dvaidepur, Sirasicha, Rujakar, Janitya, Ashtavidani, Buddhima. So this sloka, you can also confirm it from this tabulated format. So Sadiparana, Singatak, they are 4 in number, Adhipati 1, Sankha 2, Kantistira 8, Uda 1, Hridaya 1, Basti 1, and Nabila. You can see the upper 4 are the part of head and neck region and the lower 4 are the part of Pushtikata. Then come Vakshumarwani effect, they are 80 number. What they comprises of Stanamur 2, Stanarohit 2, Aplap 2, Apistam 2. This is very good question for the MCQs also. Simanta there are 5, Talidya 4, Chipra 4, Indravasti 4, Katik Tarun 2, Parsvasanti 2, Pranti 2, and Vitam 2. Visalagna 1, there are only 3, Chipra 2 and Stapni 1. Vaikalika 44, Lohitaksh, Ani, Janu, Urvi, Purchi Bitap, Purpra, Kukandra, Akshidare Vidure, Katke, Ams, Solak, Apang, Nila Mania, Pada Avarta. So basically, all are 2 in number except the Lohitaksh, Ani, Urvi, and Purcha. They are 4 full numbers, so you can remember it like this. Then comes Rujakaran, Gulfa 2, Madavanda 2, and Pursira 4 in numbers. So this is the total classification table for the prognostic classification. Now, one more type of classification is considered here, that is on the basis of measurement or Pramana type. So, on the basis of measurement, also, Acharya has given one classification. What are the length of the each marma? 1 angul, 2 angul. And always remember, angula here means so angul. So angul means the person is going to measure from his own angula. Okay. So these are the also points. Ashtanga Sangra has also given something little bit different. So sloka I am giving you both, but basically we are going to follow the Sanskrit one only. So either remember the slok or you can directly go to this particular table. You can see 1 angula marma, Urvi 4, Purchisra 4, Beta part 2, Kakshadhara 2, and Istanamula 2 in number. 2 angula is very simple. Gulfa 2, Madhuvanta 2 means ankle joint and wrist joint simply. 3 angula are the Janu and Purpa, that is knee joint and elbow joint. One Swapanitala, specific one. One Swapanitala means this hand, this is Swapanitala. This is the palm of your hand. So this much of the measurement is of Hridaya, Basti, Kuchi, Uda, Nabhi, Sringatak, Simant, Nila, Manya, and Matrika. And whatever is not considered here, they all are going to fall in a separate category of half angul. So you can see I have counted it here, though the counting is not done directly by Sushruta. So 1 angular marmar 14 number, 2 angular 4, 3 angular 4, Swapani Tala 29, and rest will be 56 number. Now coming back to the slope, you can see Ashtang Sangre has especially given the total number also. Like he has given the 1 angular pramana 12 in number, Dwajasa. Then Ulfo Madibandhu Stanamuli Chasat, they are 6 in number, Janu Kurprecha Chatwari, Triangulani, this is same Kurchu Kudu Basti, Nabi Herde, Nile Mane, Martika Simanta, Sangatakani, Cheko Eko Nisat. So means 29 in number are the Panitar. So there is little bit difference. So for the purpose of further preparation, you can consider both of the things. For BMS specifically, you can simply learn the Susrut one and then you can learn the exceptions. So this is for the measurement type. Now he has also given why to learn the measurement of Praman of each month. So he is saying the measurement of Varma is quite important to the well as they are should not be injured. Further, it is helpful to omit the area of neighboring merma which may produce serious hazard. So he is giving you one of the hit that if you are going to remember the measurement of each and every merma, and while doing the surgery, you should avoid this particular measurement so that even the nearby things are also not going to be injured. So this is the importance of knowing the Marma structures here. So these are the different types of classifications of Marma Sarir. I have summarized in very small manner so that you can remember it. Either you follow the tabulated format or with the help of tabulated format, you can easily remember the slopes also. The slopes are very simple, they are just the names. So either you learn the table first in proper sequence and then you can fill in the blanks the sloka. Remember the numbers are very important during Viva. The numbers are asked like somebody is going to what is the number of Sangatakmal, sorry, Sangatakmal 4, in which category they fall, Satipranhar, what are the number of Satipranhar, 19. Like this rapid fire type of question is going to come from this particular section of the lecture. We will continue with the last part when we are going to talk all the months, especially on the regional basis, and then we are going to see in tabulated format everything related to month and certain pictures also we are going to see, and one or two important slopes which we have not covered till now. Thank you.